Everybody's tired. Everybody's napping. Time for Din Din. There goes Junior. See if I can get him. God, he's getting big. But he likes to play with the little ones. He just came from over there. And then there's the 3. Too funny. Too funny. See little Junior over there nibbling on the hay? They all do it, by the way. Except for the babies. These are the babies. I swear they've grown about 4 or 5 inches just since they got here. But. I wish I could get close to one of these guys. You could see their nubs. You can actually see their little nubs. Their horns are starting to sprout. Can you see that one? They're playing too cool to fool. And she's like insisting that I pet her. Yes, little mist body ears. Yes, I know. I know. I know. What? 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 What do you want? What do you want? Right there where I can't get. Oh, yes. What? Look at them all at the trough. What? Leaning up against me. Look at all this hair. Oh man, you're shedding bad. I am the petting station now. Apparently. Yes. Yes, I know. But I had to get this. Dinner time. Yes. Oh, and here's a good one. She's in the light. Look at that face. Doesn't that look like me? And then you look at the other one, she's got a little Roman nose just like her dad. Where is she? Here's Me's too. Jeez. And Mr. Junior. You can tell by the size. Yes. Look at you. You're not going to milk me again, are you? She did pretty good today. Yes. And then there's Junior. What? What? Nibble, nibble, nibble. Yes, she's the petting addict. She's my petting goat. Yes, scratch me right there. Oh, right there. Yes. Scratch me anywhere. And then it's like, triple header dinner. Horses watching. You got anything for me? And the kids wander over. What are you doing? Hey! It doesn't come off. No. See if I can get the girls again. The 2 new ones. They're so busy eating. This one's got like a curly fur almost. So I'd say more like Bob. You know, see how Roman nose that one is? And that's the more inquisitive, aggressive one. Oh, yes, I got you now. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And then she's got her mom's face. See? Yes. Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm being touched. Yes. That's a good pose. And then the three girls. And I notice the black and white one is noticeably bigger than the other two. If you see her. Could be an optical illusion, but I don't think so. And look at that Roman nose. And then this one, the little brown one, she looks more like me and the Nigerians, like the girls. I don't know if you can see their nubs. They're so darn cute. Look at, I can't tell if I'm getting them. Yeah, you can barely see them. What? He's like, what the hell are you doing? That's silly. That's silly, that one. Oh, look, you can really see him on her. Look at her. Yes. Yes. And then there's Mr. Camacho. Camacho. I think I have some radishes and some carrots. Yes. Ducks are getting ready for bed. They just got out of the pool. I think I missed all this. I think this was stuck. I didn't realize it. I don't know where I left off. Anyway, there's the two branches that I got to cut off. Here comes Pumpkin. I don't know what all this green stuff is in the berms, but it's really abundant. I'm hoping it's those same flowers that grew there last year. Big, tall, flowery ones. Multicolored. Anyway, we'll see. But now they're growing thicker in the walkway. I've only got up to here as far as tilling in all the ash. I've got to relocate a lot of the ash because it's all just dumped in one place. So, we're getting there. What? 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 There's Mocha. This looks like it's on some kind of telephoto. I'm wondering. Nope, that's got nothing to do with it. Very strange. I can't seem to get this to zoom in. Or out, rather. Okay, well, we'll have to take a look where I can see inside. I can't see this contrasty light out here. It's really hard. He was tilling today. As you can see, look at how fucking green that field is over there. Yeah. One little patch I got weeded. I've got all this and all that. Yep, everywhere I don't want it to be. Well, I do a little bit every day. Oh, look at you. Mischief. Mischief. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, look, and there's Mocha. 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 Oh, yes, Mocha. And then here comes Pumpkin. Merlin. Hi, Merlin. Hi, Merlin. Yes. Yes, we'll get everybody. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes. And then we got Mischief still. She sits aloof. Yes. And then there's BC. 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 Here she comes. Oh no. Let's see if I can get the woo, the sun is very bright and the sky is very hazy, so you won't be able to see the mountains. I don't believe. Nope. Plus it's cloudy. But Yep. And the ducks are like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yep. And there's our little mounds, our little sacred mounds. You know, if you go behind them and over to where JJ doesn't meet JJ5, there's a whole row of these down there by that creek, and I'm wondering if they're somehow connected geologically or whatever. Anywho, that's a little taste of home, honey. Home on the range. Well, you can tell the wind's not blowing because it doesn't sound like a helicopter's landing on top of the trunk. All right. I'm out. Love you.